In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting in HubSpot CRM. To get started, sign into your HubSpot CRM account. Once you're in, the first thing you need to do is open the record where you want this meeting to live. This could be a contact, a company, a deal, or even a ticket, depending on what the meeting is related to. Choosing the correct record from the beginning helps keep your CRM organized and makes it easier to track communication later. After opening the record, go to the Activity section and click Meeting. This opens the Meeting Creation panel, where you'll enter all the details for the appointment. Start by typing in a clear meeting title. Make it specific enough that you and your team can quickly understand the purpose of the meeting when reviewing the timeline later. Next, select the meeting date. Then, set the start time and the end time. Be careful here to make sure the timing is accurate, especially if you're scheduling something time-sensitive or coordinating with other attendees. A correct start and end time also helps with calendar visibility and prevents confusion. If other people need to be part of the meeting, add the attendees at this stage. Then enter the meeting location or paste in the meeting link, depending on whether the meeting will happen in person or online. This is an important detail because it gives everyone a clear understanding of where to join and avoids last-minute follow-up. After that, add a meeting description. This is a good place to include the meeting purpose, talking points, or any quick notes that will help attendees prepare. Even a short description can make the meeting more productive and easier to reference later. If needed, associate the meeting with other relevant records. For example, you may want the same meeting connected to a company, a deal, or another related contact. This helps create a more complete history across your CRM and ensures the meeting appears in the right places. Once everything is filled in, take a moment to review the meeting details. Double-check the title, date, time, attendees, location, and description so you can catch any mistakes before saving. When everything looks correct, click Save or Schedule Meeting. HubSpot will create the activity and attach it to the selected record. Finally, verify that the meeting appears in the activity timeline. This confirms that it was saved successfully and is now part of the record history. Thanks for watching.